Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you our wireless barcode scanner today. Let's see what do we have inside. Here we have the quick start guide and the frequently used codes. This will help you to set our scanners easily. Here we have a USB cable. It could be used for charging the scanner and also for receiving information. Here is the charging base. Look, this is the charging port and this is the USB dongle. It could be connected here and it could also be connected to the computer. Finally is our cool barcode scanner. Look, it looks very beautiful and this looks like a dolphin design. It's very comfortable. These are all we have in the box. I'm gonna show you how to use our wireless barcode scanner. This scanner can work as 3 modes: USB dongle mode, Bluetooth mode, and the wire mode. Now let me show you how to use the USB dongle mode. When you get the scanner, you just need to connect the USB cable to the computer and the charging port. This is connect to the USB charging port, and this way plug it to the computer. Then press the button to activate the scanner. Then you will hear a beeper sound and the lights on here. Then scan the barcode you need. It will show on the screen automatically. For the USB dongle mode, you can also use only the USB dongle simply. We can use only the USB dongle and the scanner. Plug the USB dongle to the computer. And scan the barcode that you need. Then it will show our information automatically. This is the USB dongle mode. Now let's see how to connect the scanner via Bluetooth mode. The scanner is default set as USB dongle mode, so first you have to set the scanner as the Bluetooth mode. You need to scan the barcode Bluetooth HID mode here. And then second, scan the pairing setting code. Then you will see the flashing light here. Then let's go to the mobile phone to search the scanner. The name of the scanner is RT332 HID. Let's connect it. You will hear a beeper sound. It means it is well connected. Then you can scan the barcode directly. It will show the information here. It shows very quick and read very fast. If you want to change it to the USB dongle mode, you can just scan the setting code here on the plastic card. Then it will change it to the USB dongle mode. Let's scan the barcode. It shows the information here quickly. If you want to change it to the Bluetooth mode again, the second time, just simply scan only the Bluetooth HID setting code. The second time, you don't need to scan the pairing code again because it was connected before. Then it comes back here. It shows the information here again. There is a little tip here. You just press the button twice. It will show the keyboard again to hide it. Now let's come to the third mode, the wired mode. For the wired mode, you need only one USB cable and one scanner. You just simply plug the USB cable to the computer and another way to the scanner. You can see the red light here. It means the scanner is on charging. Then press the button to turn on the scanner. You will hear a beeper sound and it turns purple. It means it is well connected. You don't need to install any driver or software. Scan the barcode you need. It will show the information automatically. It's very easy and quick. That's it. Thank you.